Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing one of the hottest topics in the world of nutrition and lifestyle: veganism. Veganism is a lifestyle choice and dietary practice that involves avoiding the use of animal products for food, clothing, or any other purpose. People who follow a vegan lifestyle are known as vegans. Vegans exclude all animal-derived foods. Instead, they consume plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. The motivation behind veganism is often driven by ethical concerns related to animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and personal health. Vegans often believe that using or consuming animal products is unnecessary and harmful, and they seek to avoid contributing to industries that exploit or harm animals. But is it right for everyone? In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of veganism. Number 1. Health benefits. A well-planned vegan diet can be rich in nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can promote good health and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Vegan diets tend to be low in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can help lower blood cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plant-based diets may improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. This is thought to be due to the lower levels of protein in plant-based foods compared to animal products, which can be taxing on the kidneys. Number 2. Environmental sustainability. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, water pollution, and other environmental problems. By avoiding animal products, vegans can reduce their carbon footprint and help mitigate climate change. Livestock farming often involves clearing forests and other natural habitats to make space for grazing land or crops to feed the animals. This can contribute to deforestation, soil degradation, and loss of biodiversity. By reducing demand for animal products, vegans can help reduce the pressure on natural ecosystem. Animal agriculture is a water-intensive industry, and producing meat and dairy products requires much more water than producing plant-based foods. By avoiding animal products, vegans can reduce their water footprint and help conserve this precious resource. Number 3. Animal welfare. Many vegans are motivated by ethical concerns related to animal welfare and seek to avoid supporting industries that exploit or harm animals. By not consuming animal products, vegans can reduce demand for factory farming practices that involve animal cruelty and mistreatment. In animal agriculture, animals are often subjected to inhumane and cruel conditions in order to produce food, clothing, and other products for human use. For example, factory farms are known for confining animals in cramped and unsanitary conditions, where they are often subjected to physical abuse, neglect, and painful procedures such as castration and dehorning. By avoiding the use of animal products, vegans seek to reduce demand for these industries and promote more humane treatment of animals. Many vegans also choose to support animal rights organizations and advocate for stronger legal protections for animals. Number 4. Improved skin health. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help promote healthy skin, as these foods are often rich in vitamins and antioxidants that support skin health. Fruits and vegetables, such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries, are rich in vitamin C. This nutrient plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, which helps keep skin firm and elastic. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds and sunflower seeds, are rich in vitamin E. This nutrient is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect skin from damage caused by free radicals. Number 5. Cost savings. Plant-based foods like grains, fruits, and vegetables tend to be less expensive than animal products like meat, poultry, and dairy. This means that a vegan diet can be more affordable, particularly for people on a tight budget. A vegan lifestyle can also encourage people to cook at home more often, as many restaurants and fast food chains don't offer a wide selection of vegan options. Cooking at home can be a more affordable option than eating out, as it allows people to buy ingredients in bulk and avoid the markups associated with restaurant food. These are the main benefits of veganism. There are also potential drawbacks to consider. So, let's get into the cons of veganism. Number 1. Nutrient deficiencies. Vegan diets can be lacking in certain nutrients that are primarily found in animal products, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin B12 is important for nerve function and the production of red blood cells, and is primarily found in animal products. Vitamin D is important for bone health and immune function, and is primarily obtained through exposure to sunlight and fortified foods. Calcium is important for bone health, and is primarily obtained through dairy products. Vegans can obtain calcium through fortified plant milks, leafy green vegetables, and other plant-based sources. Iron is important for blood production, and is primarily obtained through animal products. It is important for vegans to be aware of these potential nutrient deficiencies and to take steps to ensure they are getting enough of these nutrients through their diet or supplements. Number 2. Social isolation. Social isolation refers to the feeling of being excluded or disconnected from social situations or activities due to a particular lifestyle or personal belief. In the context of veganism, social isolation can occur when an individual's dietary choices conflict with the dietary choices of those around them, making it difficult to participate in shared meals or food-related activities. For example, a vegan may feel socially isolated when attending a social event where non-vegan food is being served and there are no vegan options available. They may feel excluded from the meal or unable to participate in the social aspect of the event because of their dietary restrictions. This can lead to feelings of frustration, loneliness, or even anxiety or depression. Social isolation can also be a result of criticism or judgment from friends, family, or others who don't understand or support a vegan lifestyle. Number 3. Limited food options. Limited food options is a potential con of following a vegan lifestyle, particularly in areas where plant-based foods are not widely available or where there is limited understanding of veganism. This can make it more difficult for vegans to find satisfying meals when eating out, traveling, or attending social events. In some cases, vegan options may be limited or non-existent in restaurants and other food establishments, making it challenging for vegans to find meals that meet their dietary needs. This can be especially problematic when traveling to areas where veganism is not well known or accepted. Number 4. Dependence on supplements. Vegans may need to supplement their diet with certain nutrients that are primarily found in animal products. For example, vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. While supplements can help vegans meet their nutritional needs, some people may become overly reliant on them instead of obtaining nutrients from whole foods. It's important for vegans to focus on eating a varied diet that includes a range of nutrient-dense plant-based foods, rather than relying solely on supplements. Additionally, it's important to choose high-quality supplements that are specifically designed for vegans, as some supplements may contain animal-derived ingredients or may not be as effective for vegans due to differences in nutrient absorption. Number 5. Increased planning. Following a vegan diet may require increased planning and preparation, as it can be more challenging to find convenient vegan options when dining out or traveling. This means that vegans may need to spend more time planning their meals and snacks, and may need to bring their own food to work, school, or social events. Additionally, some individuals may need to do more meal prep and cooking at home to ensure that they are getting all the nutrients they need from their diet. This may involve soaking or sprouting grains, beans, or nuts to make them more digestible and increase nutrient absorption, or preparing homemade plant-based milks, cheeses, or meat substitutes. In conclusion, veganism has both its pros and cons. On the one hand, a well-planned vegan diet can offer many health benefits, such as lower risk of chronic diseases, improved digestion, and increased energy levels. Additionally, choosing a vegan lifestyle can have positive impacts on animal welfare and the environment. However, there are also some potential downsides to consider, such as the need for increased planning and preparation, the risk of nutrient deficiencies, and the social and cultural challenges that come with following a vegan diet. Ultimately, the decision to adopt a vegan lifestyle is a personal one that should take into account an individual's health, values, and lifestyle. By weighing the potential risks and benefits and making an informed decision, individuals can find a dietary pattern that works best for them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.